Morning, Abotai. Erev Shabbat Shalom. We know that there is a mitzvah midrabanan, a rabbinic mitzvah, to light candles every Erev Shabbat in honor of Shabbat that increases Shalom Bayit when there's light in the house, and that is a mitzvah that the Chachamim said to do, and we even make a bracha on it. Now it seems that this bracha should apply, this mitzvah should apply to both men and women. Nevertheless, the Bach, Arav Beit Chadash, and Magen Avraham say that if a husband claims that he wants to do the mitzvah instead of his wife, we don't listen to him. The mitzvah goes to the wife for several reasons. First of all, they say, according to the Pshat, that a woman is home more than the husband. She takes care of the things at home, and therefore this mitzvah applies more to her than it does to the husband. According to Kabbalah, also there are Kabbalistic reasons why this mitzvah applies to the woman, especially because she was kaveta, Orosh al-Olam, she brought death upon the world, thus extinguishing the candle of the world. So this serves to rectify that by lighting Shabbat candles. Hagon Yabitz has an interesting halacha. He writes in his Siddur, he writes that what happens if the husband snatches the mitzvah? Before his wife has a chance to do it, he lights the Shabbat candles. The Yabitz says, just like any other mitzvah, if a person steals a mitzvah from his friend, the Gemara says that he's chayav lo 10 zehuvim. He has to pay him 10 gold coins for stealing his mitzvah. So too over here, if a husband lights the candles before the wife, he has to pay 10 gold coins to the wife because he stole the mitzvah from her. Maran Achida disagrees with the Abitz, says that's not exactly true over here, because over here the oil, the wicks, the candles belong to him. He didn't steal them, and therefore you can't exactly say that he snatched the mitzvah. Although he acted inappropriately, he won't have to pay these 10 gold coins to the wife. Hagon B'Kiveger makes an interesting diuk in the Mishnah. The Mishnah says, "An shalosh averot nashim mitot bish'ad ledatan." There are three averot for which women die during labor. Al shenan zeirot banida uvachala uvadlakat hanir. Because they're not careful in nidah, chala, and lighting candles. Says Rabbi Akiva Eger, following the pattern of the first two things in the Mishnah, it should have said nidah, chala, and ner. Why does it say hadlakat ner? Why does it say lighting the candle? Just say candles, just like nidah and chala. Says Rabbi Akiva Eger, apparently you see that the mitzvah of the wife is only in lighting the candles, which means that preparing the candles is a mitzvah that's incumbent on the husband, which means they both have to participate. The husband participates in preparing the candles, and the wife participates by lighting the candles. Be'emet, in Tikunei HaZohar, and the Ari HaKadosh writes in Sha'ar HaKavanot Mefurash that the husband is to be very careful to prepare the candles, and then, only then, does the wife light it. So that is with regards to this mitzvah. Have a wonderful day, and Shabbat Shalom.